What is up guys, my name is Chase, welcome back to another video. So my birthday is December 22nd, and this year for my birthday my mom got me a new Apple Watch. So this is going to be my little unboxing of the Apple Watch Series 4. So this is going to be kind of an awkward unboxing because I'm basically going to be giving my little commentary on the whole unboxing. The exact model that my mom got me was the Apple Watch Series 4, 40mm in space gray aluminum with the black sport loop. And that is the Apple branded sport loop, not the Nike one. So like most Apple products, the first thing here is to take off this really satisfying plastic. I recorded some ASMR for you guys. But the really cool thing about this packaging is that on the inside you have a bunch of different Apple Watch designs, all kinds of different Apple Watch models with all kinds of different bands. Anyway, now that we're done talking about the actual box, let's open up the gosh dang darn box. So this is the Apple Black Sport Loop. This is actually the first time I've ever tried the Sport Loop, so I was really interested to see how it fits and like how it works. But anyway, now that the actual band is out, let's open up the actual Apple Watch. I made a video earlier this year talking about how excited I am about this Apple Watch, and like I am very excited for it. The new design just looks really nice, and I was just excited to see how massive the screen is going to be. So as per usual, we got our little like quick start guide, but you know me, like I'm not gonna need any of that crap. We got our usual like Apple Watch charger and a charging brick. To be honest, I love having like an excessive amount of these charging bricks because you never know when you're gonna need them. But anyway, here is the actual Apple Watch Series 4. It comes in this really cool little pouch. But here it is, the Apple Watch Series 4 in space gray aluminum. This is just the GPS version because, to be honest, like I don't need cellular in my watch. It's not really something that I care for. But anyway, it has like a new nice looking glossy back. They changed up the sensor setup in the new Apple Watch. Here's the new digital crown, which also works with the ECG app in iOS 12. And then I also got some comparison shots between the Apple Watch Series 4 and my first generation Apple Watch, or the Apple Watch Series 0. Yeah, I mean, like this thing has lasted, I think it's been 3 years since the Apple Watch first came out, so it's been really good to me, and I'm honestly very proud of how well I've been taking care of it over the years. It's still in really good condition, so that's cool. So now here I am actually powering it on for the first time. When I was recording this, I was like so excited to see how big the screen is. Here I am trying to figure out how the hell to get the sport loop on it. But once you turn it on, it prompts you to put your iPhone near the Apple Watch, very similar to how you set up the AirPods to your iPhone. So here I am putting my iPhone next to the Apple Watch for the first time. You pair it with your phone, and I was able to actually restore a backup from my previous Apple Watch. Actually, like the whole setup process of the Apple Watch was really simple. And finally, here is what the screen looks like on the Apple Watch Series 4. This is the first time I actually got to see it, so I was like freaking out. And finally, here is like a quick little comparison between the screens on the Apple Watch Series 4 on the right and my first generation Apple Watch Series 0 on the left. As you can see, the Apple Watch Series 4 has like a significantly larger screen than the Apple Watch Series 0. I'm genuinely loving the display on the Apple Watch Series 4. But anyway guys, that pretty much wraps up my Apple Watch Series 4 unboxing. Once again, the 40mm space gray aluminum with the black sport loop. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you again soon. Bye.